Hey guys, Jason Scudellari from CPP, and today I'm here to talk about our all-new, all-aluminum 22-gallon fuel tanks for 62 to 67 Novas. Our fuel tanks are designed to use 1 or 2 fuel pumps. We got a baffle running down here so your primary pump will never starve for fuel due to fuel slosh. We also got an area for your fuel sending unit. We have 2 baffles running this way, that way you don't get any fuel slosh, and for structural integrity. Another feature of our tank is the way we angle the sides for easy exhaust routing. Our tanks are great for EFI, and we also have a bung welded in for you carburetor guys. Well, speaking of you carburetor guys, you better think to the future. You might want to run EFI later on, so you might as well throw a fuel pump in there, one of our regulators that regulates from 4 PSI all the way to 80 PSI, and you'll be good to go when you're ready for EFI. The fuel tanks come both in natural and satin black. This is my favorite by far. It just disappears when you put it underneath your car. The tank mounts in its factory locations, comes with everything you see in front of us, including a block-off plate in case you only run 1 fuel pump, and all the hardware needed. We also have an upper bung welded in for venting. That way when you're filling up your car, you won't get any fuel burping. So when you're ready to order parts for your classic car or truck, give us a call or visit classicperform.com.